Hey guys, it's your girl Nayoka. Today I will be showing you how to make fried chicken. For today's recipe, I'll be using chicken thighs, which will be dry rubbed in celery salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, ground ginger, this is garlic powder, this is onion salt, dried mustard, kosher salt, but you don't have to use coarse kosher salt, you can use regular. I'm using backless chicken thigh. You can use whatever part of the chicken that you would like. Once I take the chicken out of the package, I will be washing the chicken in room temperature water and vinegar. Fried chicken is all about flavor, and to get that flavor you need to marinate the chicken. So I recommend marinating your chicken for a minimum of 12 hours. I will be marinating my chicken for up to 72 hours. What I will do is a dry rub first. As you will see here, I'm adding all my dry ingredients that I showed you before in 1 tablespoon increments. Then I will put that dry rubbed chicken in the fridge for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I will add buttermilk. Buttermilk helps to seal in that flavor and the moisture in the chicken. I will leave the chicken in the buttermilk for up to 48 hours, and then I will fry my chicken. To get the best results, or not to change the temperature of the oil, I bring my chicken to room temperature before frying, and I recommend the same to you. If you do not have 72 hours or 24 hours to marinate your chicken, I say give it a minimum of 3 hours. Put your dry rub on, add your buttermilk, massage everything well into your chicken, and then leave it in the fridge for 3 hours. Once the 3 hours are up, take it out of the fridge, leave it out for a couple minutes just to get to room temperature so it's not so cold, and then you can batter and fry your chicken right away. To fry the chicken, we will need wet dredge, dry dredge, and of course the chicken. The secret to crispy chicken are club soda and eggs. To a bowl, I added 2 eggs and a cup of club soda, whisked, then added a cup of flour and my buttermilk. I whisked and added flour as needed until the batter was thick enough. The flour and the wet dredge are seasoned. Every stage has to be seasoned just to ensure that you're getting flavor in every bite. To batter the chicken, I tried different methods to see what the results would be like and what the difference in crispiness would be. For the first set, I did flour first and then wet dredge and repeated once, and then for the second batch I did wet dredge first and then flour. I like doing the wet dredge first and then flour because that sticks to the chicken better and it doesn't fall off as easily. Quick tip: when you're frying chicken or anything similar, don't drop it directly into the pot. Move it around a little bit like this, just so it doesn't stick to each other or the pot. But take a moment to admire how quickly the chicken is crisping up already. Look at this. Be sure to turn your chicken for even frying. Each piece takes about 20 minutes to fry. You can also try to double fry your chicken. Fry it halfway, take it out of the pot, let it drain some of the oil, and then fry it again. This will guarantee a crispy chicken. Come look how the chicken look good. The chicken looks amazing, and listen to this. There's no doubt the chicken looks and sounds crispy. Look at that beautiful chicken. Let me cut into the chicken so we can see how juicy the chicken is on the inside, even though we fried it. kude. The chicken is juicy, juicy. I hope your chicken turns out as good as mine and you enjoy it as much as I did with my friends.